Hello, I'm Jhello, and I'll be showing you how to use Working Copy, a fully operational Git client right on the iPad, alongside Godot on iPad. Whether you want to put your Xogot project on GitHub or make changes to a desktop project from your iPad, you can do it all through Working Copy. I'll walk you through getting your project onto your iPad, making changes and sending them back so you can work on your game from either device. This also works if you're collaborating with anyone else. Quick background before we jump in. A repository is basically a folder for your project that tracks every change you make over time. It also lets multiple people work on the same project without overriding each other. Working Copy is an app that connects to GitHub so you can sync your project files between devices. Before we begin, you will need to link your Working Copy to your GitHub account. If you don't have one, head to github.com to get started. Once that's done, open Working Copy, go to Settings, and sign into GitHub. Once that's finished, we can get started. Let's begin with how to work on desktop Godot projects using Xogot through Working Copy. I currently have my next tutorial and its repository on my computer. If you wish to know how to turn your Godot projects into a repository, you can follow an amazing tutorial created by Gwiz that will be linked down in the description. Since it's already on GitHub, we can go onto Working Copy, clone the repo, and move it into our Xogot folder. Now, if we open Xogot, find the folder and open it, you now have your project repository ready to go. If you're collaborating, the other person just does the same thing with the same repo. Now, if you have a Xogot project that you want to turn into a repository, go into Working Copy and link it as an external repository. Find the project, select it, then commit your changes into the brand new repository. At this point, it's not on GitHub yet, so we'll add a remote under your GitHub profile and push your changes. Once that's done, you can see the repository is up on GitHub. Say you've been working on your computer and you want to continue that work on your iPad. Push your changes to GitHub from your computer like you normally would, then open Working Copy on your iPad, hit Fetch to check if there's anything new, and Pull. Open Xogot and your project is right there, up to date. This is how you grab a collaborator's latest changes, just fetch and pull whenever you want to sync up. Now let's say you've made changes on your iPad and want to get them back to your computer or anywhere else the repository exists. In Working Copy, commit your changes first. Just write a short message describing what you did. Then hit push, and that sends everything up to GitHub. Back on your computer, just do a pull, and you've got all your iPad changes ready to go. Your collaborator can also pull, and they'll get your changes as well. The same push, fetch, and pull workflow is how collaboration through Working Copy or GitHub works. Whenever your collaborator pushes something, you fetch and pull to get it. Whenever you're done with something, you commit and push so they can pull it. Just make sure you both pull before you start working, so you're not editing outdated files at the same time. Now you can share your repositories with collaborators and work across multiple devices, so no matter what, you always have a backup of your project. There's so much more you can do with Working Copy, and we can go into much more depth in a future video.